Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing a stable, wired connection and the correct firmware file. Plug an Ethernet cable from your PC to the router. This reduces failure risk during flashing. Once done, log into the router's admin page using your credentials and export the current configuration so you can restore settings later. Make sure the firmware file exactly matches the router model and hardware version. Mismatches can brick the device, so double-check now before continuing. You'll now upload the firmware through the router's upgrade interface. Navigate to Administration or System and choose Firmware Upgrade, then select the downloaded file. If a checksum or SHA hash is provided, verify it to confirm file integrity. This prevents corrupted installs. Click Upgrade and watch for progress. Do not close the browser, reboot the PC, or cut power. The router may take several minutes to write and reboot. Patience here prevents incomplete flashes. Once the router reboots, verify connectivity and log back into the admin page. You can restore the saved config or re-enter Wi-Fi and security settings manually to ensure everything matches your network needs. If the interface is unresponsive, perform a factory reset then check again. Sometimes settings carry over incompatibly. If the upgrade fails or the router won't boot, power cycle and attempt a recovery method like TFTP or a different compatible firmware. These steps often recover a misflashed device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.